Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're gonna go ahead and get the car on the dyno. Right now I have it on map 0 on the JB4, which is basically disabled. I just want to get a baseline of all the Bolt-Ons that I have. So HKS, racing spark plugs. You have the AEM intakes, the Catless secondary downpipes from Arc Performance, along with the exhaust. And we also have the Velossa Tech big Snorkels up front. So yeah, so we're gonna run the very first one just to get a baseline, and then we're gonna go ahead and move to map 2 and get the runs there and see how much more gain. And then if time permits, we'll try map 3 just to see with the JB4 if there's any difference. So it's already getting strapped on. Wait till the car kind of cools off a bit, and then we'll start the runs. Alright guys, so this is the base run. Here it is. We're doing at max. The best run we got was 380 torque with 349 or about 350 more or less horsepower to the wheels. This is running on stock and just Bolt-Ons, no tune. So right now I've already set the car to map 2, which is for 93 octane. We'll see how much we make, and then we'll go ahead and do a map 3 and see the difference here. But pretty good numbers for base, looking real good on map 2. Here's the best result. The one that you see in red is on map 2, and what you see on green is with JB4 disabled. So what we did here is just graph the best run on both variant of the runs. So the max one on default, meaning just Bolt-Ons, no tune, is 350, 380. And then with map 2 we have 392 with almost 433. As you guys can see there. So that's a very nice gain, about 50 more or less on each side, on the horsepower, on the wheels, and on torque. So definitely a great jump. We're gonna go ahead and try map 3. So then we'll graph the third graph, getting the best one, and that way we have all 3 maps there and see the difference between the ones you guys want to go ahead and look and compare. But right now I'm pretty satisfied with this numbers here. I wish I could have hit about 400 was my target, but again, this is with just 93 octane. I'm pretty sure once I hit with E30 I should be able to reach above the 400 range. So yeah, definitely. So we're letting the car cool now, and then already went ahead and I flashed it to map 3, and we'll see what the results are. Guys, here you have it. Super great, impressive from map 3. Even though you're supposed to have some E30 content on there, I mean E85, sorry, to blend into an E30 kind of content, it still ran perfectly fine. I ran some logs, so I'll send it out to Burger Tuning just to make sure that everything's still safe. But this is map 3, guys. We have a result of 473 wheel torque, and we have a total of 413, close to 414, just to call it fair here, of wheel horsepower on map 3, guys. Definitely satisfied with the Burger Tuning. Once again, this is a piggyback tune, and definitely we're seeing great results. Great job, Burger Tuning, for this. And yeah, so thanks, guys. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Once again, the shop here, I'm gonna go ahead and get it right here, STP Motorsports. So if you're in the Miami area, definitely come out. They have the DynoJet dyno, so definitely check them out. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Booster Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.